Remove the passenger side panel. Use a plastic pry bar to carefully pry it open to reveal the fixing screw. Find the hidden turn A and bolts and remove them one by one. Remove the shifter lever guard, fixed by clips only. Pull upwards slightly. Remove the edge of the center armrest and unplug the connection plug. Disconnect all wiring harness and lock the location of the parts for easy reinstallation. The wiring harness of the new console is divided into power audio and signal lines. The interfaces are all foolproof designs, just a line and a button in every. Turn on the power to test whether the navigation, music, and Bluetooth are normal. If there are any problems, check them in time. To avoid signal interference, GPS and 4G antennas should be placed into areas with strong signals as much as possible. Wireless CarPlay routes the phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to be turned on at the same time. It will automatically connect after the first pairing. It's critical for us to tighten the buckle to avoid loose bolts and cause it to break. It's done. Now your Lexus has smart navigation, online music, and even short videos.